Hello students, welcome to RHchemistry. In today's video, we are going to discuss about part 2 of 2019 final cutoff for dental colleges in Karnataka according to the NEET score. So all government colleges and almost 12 private colleges I have covered in the part 1. If you have not seen the part 1, please go through that part. And addition to that, remember, this is BDS cutoff, and already I have covered MBBS cutoff in 7 videos. Remember, in 7 videos I have covered. Please go through those videos also. Definitely you will get some help from that. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support. Yes, before going to discuss about that, so some full form that you have to know, that is G wherever it is there, that is 1 in front of that G will be there, that is category 1 general. So K category 1 Kannada medium, R rural, H Hyderabad Karnataka, like that. So GMP means general merit private, GMPHK means general merit private Hyderabad Karnataka, like that. MK means minority linguistic Kodava, minority linguistic Tamil. ME means minority linguistic Telugu, minority linguistic Telugu Hyderabad Karnataka. So like that. So different this full form that you have to know first, then only you can go to the next. So MC means minority religious Christian, MM means minority religious Muslim. So like that it is there. Next we will see today's first college. So Dayanand Sagar Dental College, Bangalore. So in this particular case you can see, so 2AG 3 seats were there, so 385 to 379. So like that, GM 9 seats were there, 408 to 394, and SSCG 3 seats are there, 332 to 326. STH 1 seat 367. So general merit private seat 14, around 6 lakh to 8 lakh seats it is. So 14 seats were there, 282 to 259. Open category, that is non-Karnataka students, 13 seats, 365 to 284. So you can see, generally remember, so maximum rank marks which is there is 408 here, right? 408, which means around 400 or 450 below you will definitely get any of one of the college, dental colleges in Karnataka. And the second one, MR Ambedkar Dental College, Bangalore. So here also you can see GMP category 22 seats are there, OPN category 23 seats are there. So see 543 to 324, 319 to 285 it is over. And 1G 2 seats were there, 399 and 394. Like that, GM you can see 14 seats, 422, 403. SCG 4 seats, 334 to 327. So like that the marks you can observe. Depending on your marks you can make a list of colleges. I am not telling that you are going to get particular college, but remember, without knowing anything you are going to the counseling. Better than that, knowing something about the marks of the particular college and choosing that college in your priority list, that will be better choice, remember. So for that reason I am helping in this regard. Yes, third college, HKDETS Dental College, Bidar. So that is government seats. Here you can see GMP 2 seats, GMP H Chandra Hyderabad Karnataka, because it is Bidar Hyderabad Karnataka region college, it is 373 to 300 it is there. OPN category 543 to 501. Now you can see 1G 1 seat 374, 2AH 1 seat 374, GM 2 seats 449 to 445, SCG 1 seat so 245, SCRH 1 seat 285, like that it is there. The fourth one, Hyderabad Karnataka Education Society Dental College, Gulbarga. The name itself is Hyderabad Karnataka, then definitely Hyderabad Karnataka region seats are more. Here you can see 32 seats are there, so 241 to 190. So like that you can see 1H, which means 1 Hyderabad Karnataka, 368, 2ARH 341. So you can see 3 seats in 2AH, 350, 345. General merit you can see 433, 396. So general merit rural 366, general merit Hyderabad Karnataka 2 seats 360, 355, SCG 2 seats 323, 308, like that the seats are there. GMP you can see 6 seats are there, 278 to 243. And the fifth one, KLE Institute of Dental Science, Bangalore. So in this particular case you can see 2AG 2 seats, so 369 and 364, general merit 8 seat 430 to 391, so SCG 1 seat 313, and GMP 11 seats and OPN 11 seats 421 to 244. And here whatever I am talking about, that is, remember, round 2 final cutoff, remember that, not round 1, it is round 2 final cutoff. Sixth one, KGF College of Dental Science, KGF, Kolar it is. So 1G seats, 1 362, 1H seat, 1 342. So GM category 399 to 377, you got 4 seats are there. STG 1 seat 360, GMP 19 seats are there, 280 to 215, OPN 3 seats 338 to 281. Seventh college, K Venkatramana Gowda Dental College, Dakshina Kannada. So in this case you can see, so here 1G seats 2 370 363, so 2AG 2 seats 359 356, like that. GM 1 13 seats 391 to 371, 3BH 1 seat 364, 3BG 2 seats 370, GM Hyderabad Karnataka 366, NCC 1 quota it is there 339, STG 1 seat 338, GMP category you can see 22 to 21, so 22 seats are there, 214 to 206, OPN category 23 seats are there, 337 to 217. Eighth one, Sri Krishna Devaraya College of Dental Science, Bangalore. In this case you can see general merit private 14 seats are there, 246 to 226, OPN category 13 352 to 248, 2AG 2 seats are there, 378 to 363, and GM 9 seats, actually here it should be 9, Belgad hogide, so GM 9 seats 394 to 381, SCG 3 seats 295 to 293, and STK 1 seat 313. Maratha Mandal Dental College, Belgaum. So 2AG 2 seats 372 to 362, GM 7 seats 294 394 to 380, so you can see STG 1 seat 362, GMP category 11 seats 259 to 233, and OPN category 383 to 260, that is Maratha Mandal Dental College, Belgaum. In the 10th one you can see Navodaya Dental College, Raichur. So in this case categories are more here, you can see 2AG 1 seat, 2AH 2 seats 344 to 343, and here you can see GM 2 seats are there, 406 to 402, and it comes under Hyderabad Karnataka, so 7 seats GMH category 377 to 365, like that. GM RH 1 seat 358, STH 1 seat 357, like that. Then private seats in this college, Navodaya Dental College, Raichur, you can see GMP 40 seats are there, 317 to 42, GMPH 3 seats, ME category, which means Minority Linguistic Telugu category, MEH Minority Linguistic Telugu, Hyderabad Karnataka 152 to 124, open category 405 to 346, they have got the seat. That is in, so Navodaya Dental College, Raichur. Oxford Dental College, Bangalore. Here you can see 1G 1 seat 369, 2AG 3 seats 386 to 374, 2AH 1 seat 361, GM 9 seat 437 to 387, so GM R 1 seat 379, SCG 3 seats 326 to 303, general merit 43 seats 274 to 236, open category 10, and ME Minority Linguistic Telugu category 2 seats 217 to 109, like that they have got the seat. So these are the 11 colleges I have discussed in this particular video. So last 12 colleges left, that is of government college dental, the private dental colleges in Karnataka. After that I am going to discuss about bahalastu mandi, so many students they are asking, so that I am going to discuss, that is BAMS and BHMS, and BHMS. After that Agri also I will try to explain, remember. So all these things you will get under one roof, that is RHchemistry. Please subscribe to my channel and support, and share it to your friends also, those who needed this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.